Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag yung kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa new music video ng VGYO. Kaya hello sa lahat ng fans ng VGYO out there. Kumusta kayo mga ko-aces? Samahan niyo ako na mag-react dito at mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Tara! Play na natin! Alright! So, here we go. By the way guys, ang title pala is Forever Tonight Official Music Video. So, here we go.
You're 20 out of 10. Give me a please, tell me when. I don't need another friend. Yeah, you've been running in my head.
Ganda talaga ng voice tone ni Mickey, no?
Yeah, she's so fine and it blows my
Kapitan.
mind. Ain't no better, ain't no better. Yeah, she's so fine, but you stay in hot and cold weather. From Manila to the villa, okay. Yeah, I want her everywhere, every day. So I say, please give me a last night. We could make it last right. Come on, don't stop, baby. Might sound crazy. We could stop forever tonight. Yeah, let me hold you. Let me get to
Grabe, ang ganda ng kanta, no? Grabe na may face card ni Jello.
might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. I love to love you. Let's run it back, run it back.
Ang ganda ng kanta, no?
Love you. Let's run it
Pang
back.
Hollywood vibes.
Run it back like a marathon. Got me sweating up in here like the Amazon. Cause this is boring by the way
Galing.
she said tag along. If you got a friend, she can tag along. Simula pa lang ang gabi. Masyado pang maaga, wag ka munang umuwi.
Uy, may Tagalog. English-Tagalog.
Kung saan mo gusto, dun ako tonight. Please give me a last night. We can make it last.
Bayasin.
Make it last.
Si Aki.
Might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. Let me hold you. Let me get
Ang ganda ng beat ng kanta, no?
Come on, don't stop, baby. Might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. I love to love you. Let's run it back, run it back. To love you. Yeah. Let's run it back, run it back. Forever tonight. We can stop forever,
JL, oh.
tonight. We could stop forever, forever tonight. We could stop forever, forever tonight. We can make it last right.
Ang ganda ng kanta, no?
Don't stop, baby. Might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. Let me hold ya. Let me get to know ya.
Grabe na may face card ni Nate.
Might sound crazy. We can stop forever tonight. To love you. Let's run it back, run it back. To love you. Let's run it back, run it back.
Ang ganda. Parang nangangarap lang siya, no? Parang fan siya, ganun. Yeesh. Head turner si girl. Forever tonight. Tapusin ko na hanggang dulo. I love BGYO. I'm a huge fan of BGYO. Grabe, pinagpawisan ako guys sa music video ng BGYO. Anyway, given na magaling talaga ang BGYO, ang ganda ng boses nila, 'di ba? Tapos pag nag-perform talaga sila is sobrang ganda, sobrang galing. Talagang pag napanood niyo sila sa personal is jaw-dropping performance yung may experience mo. Talagang wow, galing ng BGYO. Anyway, ang ganda ng music video, ang ganda ng kanta, ang ganda ng beat, ang ganda ng flow ng story ng music video. Grabe naman yung quality ng music video. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. And supportahan natin guys ang BGYO. Talagang deserve nila na supportahan kasi ang galing naman din kasi talaga ng BGYO. Grabe, sobrang init dito ngayon sa amin guys. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po.